boys and girls, I'm going to read a counting story today. This is called Bear Counts, and this is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Bear Counts. Karma Wilson is the author, and Jane Chapman is the illustrator. I wonder what Bear's going to be counting. Mouse and Bear share breakfast, basking in the morning sun. Bear looks up and points, and the bear counts one. One sun floating high, one giant dragonfly, one robin on her nest, only one berry left. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? And there we see number 1. Mouse and Bear see Hare, and Hare calls out, "Howdy do." He is holding yummy fruit, and the bear counts 2. 2 paws, 1, 2, which hold a treat. 2 apples crisp and sweet, 1, 2. 2 stumps for perfect chairs. 2 friends who love to share. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? 1, 2. And look, there's 2 butterflies. And here's 2 ladybugs. Okay. So we have 1, 2. Bear hears funny sounds coming from an aspen tree. It is raven, owl, and wren. And the bear counts 3. 3 chums who chitter chat. 3 funny muskrats. 1, 2, 3. 3 clouds above the trees. 1, 2, 3. And 3 bumbling bumblebees. 1, 2, 3. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? 1, 2, 3. Bear cries, "Look, it's Badger, Mole, and Gopher by the shore." Is Badger, Mole, and Gopher by the shore. Badger has his fishing pole, and the bear counts, what number do you think it is? 4. 4 fish splish and splash. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 geese waddle past. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 turtles on a log. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 croaking, hopping frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mouse squeaks, "Let's go swimming." And in the pond they dive. The friends float in the pond, and the bear counts, what number do you think it's going to be? 5. 5 ducks in the water. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lively river otters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lovely lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinching crawdads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Now you can count just like Bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're going to do some more work with some other numbers right now. All right, this afternoon we're going to go over some of our other numbers, our bigger numbers. Now we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What number comes after 5? Do you remember? What is that number? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, now this afternoon we're going to be counting using pictures from our Hungry Caterpillar story, and we're going to be using the bigger numbers, okay? We've gone through a lot of numbers. Yesterday we did a paper like this with the lower numbers up to 10, and now we're going to be doing our bigger numbers, okay? Do you remember what this number is? What is that number? 10. And how about this one? 11. Remember that one? That's 12. Remember that number? 13. 14. Remember, that's how they're going to make their 4. 15. And we're going to see 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're actually even going to see that number there, 21. All right, so what we're going to do on our paper is we're going to be counting the different foods, just like we did yesterday, and we're going to use a dotter or a crayon to fill in the number, the space under the number, to show how many foods we see. Okay, so this is the paper that I want you to use. Okay, and on here we see some cakes and some cherry pie, and here's our caterpillars and some watermelon slices. This looks like some pickles, and there's some butterflies. Okay, and what we're going to do is, like I said, you can either use a dotter or a crayon, and we're going to do one at a time. Okay, so are we ready? Now let's look at the cakes together. Move this over a little bit. All right, let's look at the cakes, and we're going to count one at a time. Now remember, when you have a whole bunch of pictures, make sure you're using one finger, and you want to go from left to right, top to bottom. Okay, if you start jumping around, it makes it harder to count. So let's count the cakes together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You remember what the 10 looks like? 10 is a 1 and a 0. So let's try to find the number 10. There's a number 10. 1, 0 is the number 10. So we have 9, 10, 11. Here's the number 10. The 1, 0 is a number 10. So you want to put a dot right there on number 10. Okay, now let's go over to the cherry pie. Let's count and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now the number 12, we should be looking for a 1, 2. That's the number 12. Is this a number 12? No, that's a 15. And there's a number 2, and here's the number 12. Remember, 12 is 1, 2. That's number 12. So let's put a little mark for number 12. We have 12 pieces of pie. Let's count our caterpillars together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's try to find number 9. We have 9, 8, and there's 19. How many caterpillars did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here we have number 9. So we're going to put a mark right there for number 9. All right, now over here we have our watermelon. Looks like a lot of watermelon slices. So let's count this very carefully. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, you remember what an 11 looks like? 11 is a 1, 1. Now here we see 2, 1. That's actually number 21. We see a 1, 1, and the number 8. So we have 11. We want 1, 1. That's number 11. So put a mark for number 11. Okay, let's come down to our pickles on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we want number 8. So let's look at across. We see number 8. There's 18 is a 1, 8, and number 9. So we want number 8. Let's put a mark there for number 8. And now we're going to do our butterflies. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that the number 7? Oh, that's a 17. And here's number 5. There it is. There's number 7. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of cake. There's our number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here's our number 12, the 1, 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 caterpillars. And here's our number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slices of watermelon. And remember, there's the number 11, 1, 1. Down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pickles. And there's the number 8. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies. And there's our number 7. Okay, boys and girls, good job.